Every boardroom wants AI in procurement yesterday. But here is the unvarnished truth. 74% of procurement leaders admit their internal data is simply not AI ready. Feeding unstructured, fragmented legacy ERP data into an AI engine doesn't give you strategic insights. It just scales your errors faster. Right now, roughly 73% of your team's operational capacity is completely disappearing into manual data, administrative coordination, and spreadsheet cleanup. Beroe Procurement Analytics bridges the data readiness gap. We combine AI-enabled tools with 2 decades of hands-on category expertise to turn fragmented ERP systems, unstructured contracts, and blind spots into a unified, clean spend structure. Turn messy data into confident sourcing decisions. Focus teams on highest ROI opportunities. Request a demo at beroeinc.com. With Beroe, you're always in the know.